Okay, on your whiteboards, parallel, perpendicular, or neither. All you have to do is write it and hold it up and show me. Parallel, perpendicular, or neither. Good job, very nice. Perfect, don't look at each other's boards. Yep.
Oh, good.
Good. Try again, very good, try again. So, parallel lines have same slope. Perpendicular lines have opposite reciprocal slopes. So same slope and then opposite reciprocal. Same slope and then opposite reciprocal. Are these, first you ask yourself, are these numbers the same numbers? No. 5/3 is not the same as 3/5. So we know they're not parallel. Are these numbers opposite reciprocals? They're reciprocals, but they're not opposite, because this is positive and this is positive. They are not opposites. An opposite means one is positive and one is negative. So what's our answer to this problem? The answer is neither. This is mixed practice, by the way, totally mixed. Find the distance.
Hey, can you write the equation?
Yeah, but I need you to learn to do it from your formula chart, because I can't always write the equation like during the test.
Wait, where is it?
So where it says distance.
Oh, okay. Is this his formula, right?
It is distance formula. Let's round to the nearest tenth. That means 1 decimal place. Hey Betty, let's go get a whiteboard, please. Come on, we have a test over this soon. In a week. So, what did Miss Tanton teach you? Because it has been a while. Miss Tanton taught you, first of all, to circle your X's and underline your Y's. Please tell me you did that, at least.
Yep.
No.
I did.
So then you put your circles together, and you put your underlines together. That's all it is. You put your circles together. Ready? -2, 4. Then you put your underlines together. Ready? 9, -20. I put my circles here. I put my underlines here. If you want to go straight to the calculator, you can go straight to the calculator. If you want to reduce it first, you can reduce it first. Let's reduce it in one step reducing, okay? What is -2 minus 4? It's -6. We don't want any negatives, so I'm just going to put 6. What's 9 minus -20? That's 9 plus 20. 29. Everyone go to your calculator and do the square root of 6 squared plus 29 squared. The square root of 6 squared plus 29 squared. And then show me on your whiteboard. Write it down and show me. What did you do wrong?
Yeah, I kept the 6 in negative.
And you didn't put parentheses around it. Yeah. No.
Is this
You
the
probably
answer?
did the same thing.
Is this the answer?
Yeah, that is the answer. That's the answer. That is the answer. That is the answer. DJ, this is what you did. Look, you did that, and you put it in your calculator, and you didn't put parentheses around the 6. You have to protect that -6 if you're going to keep it negative.
Or maybe you didn't square root it, right? I don't know.
I can read that. 29.6 was the answer. 29.6. So, first period needs some practice with distance. I got it. I noted it. Okay. Next one. Remember, mixed practice. We're jumping all over the place because your tests might do that as well. Parallel, perpendicular, or neither. Try again. Very good, Jose. Try again.
Oh, it's not parallel.
Try again. Very good. Try again. Yes. No. Yes. Yes. You have to know why. Yes.
Because the X.
I thought perpendicular was different. Not
Good. Good. Let's talk about the slope. Show me what x equals 12 looks like. Show me with your arms. X equals 12. Everyone should do this. This is an x equals a number. What is the slope? What is it?
Oh, because it's X and Y. That's why.
It's undefined. X equals 12. His slope is not 12. That's where you're going wrong. His slope is not 12. His slope is undefined. Show me with your arm. Y equals 12. Y equals 12. What's his slope?
0.
Do you see the Z? 0. Z for 0. His slope is not 12. That's the y-intercept. That is not the slope. 12 is not the slope. So, his slope is undefined. His slope is 0. Are those opposite reciprocals? They absolutely are. Undefined and 0 are opposite reciprocals. Undefined and 0 are perpendicular. Look, perpendicular. Vertical and horizontal. The answer was perpendicular. Perpendicular, perpendicular. Okay, next one. We'll practice that one more too. Find the midpoint. This one's easier than distance. You can do it. Go to your formula chart.
Oh.
Find the midpoint. Who's going to be first? Look at your formula chart. Don't say it out loud. You need to learn to start using your formula chart. I can't tell you that. Because on the quiz and the test, I won't be able to answer that unless you use your formula chart.
Wait, on the formula chart, did we put?
Try your second number again.
Did we put plus right there?
That's a comma. Comma. Yes, yes, yes.
Oh.
Put parentheses around it. Very good. Make it a coordinate. That's awesome, Elijah, though. Make it a coordinate like this. Good. What you need? Thank you, Chris. Awesome.
No, please move on. Hold on. That's what my calculator.
Put parentheses around it. Okay, I can barely see him, but okay. So if I were you, I would still circle my X's and underline my Y's. The formula chart says, Jared, it says add your X's and divide by 2. What'd you get when you add your X's and divide by 2? Yeah, look at that. So you add your X's, that's 22, and you divide by 2, so you get 11.
Oh.
Then you add your Y's. Ooh, what's negative 4 plus negative 8? Calculator will tell you if you don't know. It's negative 12. Negative 4 plus negative 8. And you divide it by 2. Negative 12 divided by 2. The answer is 11, comma, negative 6.
I thought it was a positive 6.
Well, negative 4 plus negative 8 is negative 12. And negative 12 cut in half is negative 6. You can put it all in your calculator. You can put every step in your calculator.
Wait.
Oh, I'll go back.
Listen.
Yeah.
I don't get okay, I did 5 plus 17 divided by 2 and it gave me another number.
Okay, so we talked about this before. Let me show you what you're doing wrong. Come on, calculator. Okay. I think the wiggling fingers helped. All right, what was it? 5 plus
5 plus 17 divided
17.
by 2.
Come on, calculator. Clear. It's thinking, look. All ready? 5 plus 17 divided by 2. What's wrong with that?
You have to do enter first.
You either have to press enter or you have to put parentheses. So look at this. 5 plus 17, enter, divided by 2, enter. 11. If you don't want to press enter in between, you would have to do parentheses. 5 plus 17, divided by 2. See how that gets you 11? So you either need to put parentheses or you need to press enter. You can't just put it all in a stream without parentheses. All right, ready? The next one is slope. Go to your formula chart. Look for slope. Where is the slope formula? Where are you? I just did it in my head. I'm done. What'd you get? Nice. Good job, Brenna. Oh, but it's slope. Don't give up. Stop. Don't give up. That's not a final answer. Yes.
It doesn't abstract say it's a
Hold
slope
on.
of a line. Slope
Hold
of
on.
Slope of a line. Slope of a line. There you go. There you go. Don't say it out loud.
It's right here.
Good.
What you do that for?
I gotta see how to do this.
No, yes. Yes, yes, yes.
Oh.
Y minus Y. Yes. Underline minus underline over x minus x. Y minus y divided by x minus x. What's 4 minus 2? What's 3 minus 1? You can never write 2 divided by 2 as an answer. You can't. You would get it wrong because you didn't reduce it. So 2 divided by 2 is? So the slope of that line is 1. That is the slope. All right. Ooh, what's this? Pythagorean theorem. Oh, I probably should do it. But yes, that looks good. Your setup was correct. Very nice, very nice.
Gotta divide.
Try again. Very good. If I saw some work on your board, I would be able to tell you what you did wrong. It's not plus.
Oh, it's minus?
Well, because you're looking for a leg. You're trying to get smaller.
Which side is AB?
A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Jared, you don't care about which side is A and which side is B, but you do care about which side is C. That's what you care about. Across from the right angle, that is always C. I don't care what A and B are. I don't care. But I do care what C is.
Is it like this?
Yes. If you're trying to solve for X, you would need to subtract 3 squared from both sides. 18 squared minus 3 squared is what you should have done.
Wait.
Good.
Okay, so if you missing a leg, you subtract.
Good.
But if you have.
If you're missing the hypotenuse, you add. Yes. Because leg means you want to get smaller, and hypotenuse means you want to get bigger. So if you want to get smaller, you subtract. If you want to get bigger, you add. All right, what was the answer? 17.7. Oh, you just got it. Good. That's my birthday backwards. 717. Find the slope of that line.
Oh,
You gotta solve it.
You have to solve it for y. Very good, Paige. You have to get y out. It's a 2-step problem. It is a 2 steps. That's it. I know y'all are scared of these, but it's only 2 steps.
Are we gonna have 2 steps on the prison test?
Oh yeah, just 2 steps. That's all it takes. You might even have less than 2 steps. I might even give it to you in y equals form.
Ooh, yes, do it.
Solve for y.
Yes, we put our calculator.
Step 1, I'll tell you the 2 steps. Step 1 is to move the x. And step 2 is to divide by the number in front of y. So in this case, it's 2. Good, but I want the slope. I want to know that you know which one of those is the slope. Good. Is that the slope at the bottom? That's not the full slope. Which one's the slope? Write it down. Don't say it out loud. Very good. No, that's an equation. I want to know the slope. There you go. Okay, Paige, we're going to move the x. Ready? No, I want to know the slope. We're going to move the x. Ready? That's how you move the x. This is gone. What's left on the left page?
2y.
2y equals
3, negative 3.
negative 3x, and we actually don't care about the minus 6. Good. Okay, we did step 1. Cross it out. That was 1 step. What's step 2? Divide by whatever's in front of the y. Divide every single thing. It's okay. It's okay. Y equals, you don't even have to go to your calculator. We haven't touched our calculator once.
3.
Negative 3 has x minus 3. What is the slope of that line?
That.
negative 3 over 2.
It's whatever's in front of the x. Whatever's sitting right here, you don't even have to touch your calculator. That's it. That is the answer. The answer is negative 3.
Whatever
You just have to solve for one.
endpoint.
Oh, Trent wants to do leapfrog. I don't know. Let's see if it comes up today or not. Write on your board, parallel, perpendicular, or neither. No, sorry. No. We have trouble with these. Yes, no.
How the heck is
You can't put P.
Right.
These both start with a P. Come on, Jared. Yes, 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 no.
I didn't understand.
Norper?
Nor neither or
No, you can't put. Those are both wrong. Yes, yes.
Wait, what?
X equals, we need to, guys, when you are having trouble, yes, you need to graph these. Betty, you need to graph these. X equals 11 means you start at 0, 0.
I got it.
You travel on the x-axis and you travel 11. Ready? Okay, I'm at 11 and I'm stuck at 11 forever. Okay, I graphed this one. Now let's graph this one. Travel backwards, because it's negative on the x-axis. Go to negative 11. You stay there and you're stuck there forever and ever, right at negative 11. This is x equals 11. This is x equals negative 11. What are these two lines? They're parallel, guys. These were both x equals. Did you see that?
No, I see.
One was not y and one was x. They were both x equals, Savannah.
I
No.
accidentally put both of them as y, but I still got the answer right.
Because they would have still been parallel. Yes.
Because I thought it's negative 11 and positive 11.
Yep, here's positive 11. There's that line. This is line number 1. And this is negative 11. Those are not the slopes. Those are the x-intercepts. They're not the slopes. The answer was parallel.
It's kind of confusing.
Well, here's what Trent was asking for. Leapfrog. Play it.
Oh.
If the midpoint of a segment is 3/8 and an endpoint is 0.5, what's the other endpoint? There's no negatives here. That's nice. Thanks, Miss Stanton, for not putting any negatives.
But did you make this? Did you make
I did make, of course I made this. Oh, I don't even know. Let's see. Yeah, y'all got the same thing. We'll go with it. Yeah. So, you're going to line them up. You're going to line them up in a row, and you're going to put the midpoint in the middle. This is not on your formula chart. Good. Good. Which one's the midpoint, Elijah? 3/8. Good. So you have to put 3/8 in the middle. That's all I care about. The other ones, you can put in any order you want.
Wait, why would you
This is
say,
a setup.
what would you put,
You did get it. You did get it.
why would you put 0.5 in the front?
So the midpoint is 3/8. This is the midpoint. So that one has to go in the middle. Midpoint, middle. Midpoint, middle. Middle. And then this is an end point, and this is the other end point. It's like a bookcase. You have two bookends. You have one on the left and one on the right. So now we play leapfrog. How far do you leap from 0 to 3?
3.
Plus 3. So we're going to go plus 3 again, and we land at 6. Now we do our y's. From 5 to 8. Oh, plus 3 again. So 8 plus 3. The answer was parenthesis open, 6 comma 11, parenthesis closed. You have to put parentheses. Some of you aren't putting parentheses. Write the equation of that line.
You have a problem.
Oh, Vine.
You saw that?
I don't know.
No, my students just told me about it.
Oh, never. Is it 4 or 5? I think
Good, good, good. Oh, wait, try again. Good. Try again.
it's y, because it's on
What axis do you travel on?
You say 4. I
What
say
axis do you travel on? Good.
4 without 1.
You are at home base. Everyone's at home base. Good, you just counted wrong, it's fine. But I need an equation. Okay, you're at home base, you're at 0, 0. How do you get to that line? What do you travel on? The y-axis, and how far do you travel? You travel 1, 2, 3, 4. You've reached your destination. Y is 4, and that's all there is to it. Y is 4. You travel on the y-axis. Y is 4. Okay, we are done with whiteboards. You can put your whiteboards away. You need to a living being that's breathing and here. I don't know, I guess Betty counts. Betty, put your head up, come on. There are 4 problems on this practice that I'm going to grade. There are 4 problems. So you're going to have 4 partners today. Just remember, we're in this class extra long.
Wow.
There are 4 problems because of PSAT schedule. 4 problems, so you're going to have 4 partners. All I ask is that right now you work on number 1. I ask that you do not go to number 2, even if you finish with number 1. I ask that you stop and you can just do something else. You can look at your phone for 5 minutes until I ring the bell, okay? So you're going to work on number 1 with your current partner, and you're not going to go to number 2 until Ms. Tatum says it's time to trade. So y'all don't get a worksheet until you're sitting with a living, breathing person. All right, move up 1 seat, please. Should have made the girl move. Scoot closer so y'all can talk to each other. DJ, you coming right here, Mr. Nine? And then,
Wow. Why are you going?
and what would be the easiest number 3? Can y'all just scoot back and rotate a little bit? Back and rotate, and then she'll scoot forward. And y'all 3 can work together. Thank you, guys. There you go. Open it up right there. Okay. You got the wiggly test. Uh-oh. We're merging. Here, scoot closer to Zion. All right. You may start number 1. You are going to be timed. So if you don't finish, then you'll get points off on your grade. So make sure you are working hard with your partner on number 1.
Wait.
Oh, you didn't get one. Anyone else not get one?
No.
Plot the points. That's all you have to do is to start with page. Plot the points. And you have a partner to check and make sure you plotted them correctly. 2 brains is always better than 1. Make sure you label them A, B, and C. You won't know which one is which if you just plot them without labeling.
It's scary when stuff like this happens.
Well, then don't psych yourself out. Be